What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the best MIG welding machines on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Are you in search of a reliable welding machine for your DIY projects and home repairs? Look no further than the VIVAHOME MIG Welder 130 Flux Core Wire Automatic Feed Welding Machine. The VIVAHOME MIG Welder boasts a flux-cored wire system that self-releases metal and inert gas during welding, effectively preventing oxidation of the welded parts. This feature makes it ideal for light-gauge steel projects, ensuring professional results every time. Welding process. Crafted for both mild steel and stainless steel projects, this welding machine delivers impeccable finishes, making it suitable for various applications including auto body work and thin steel welding. Its power and efficiency ensure precise welding performance with every use. Adjustable welding speed. Equipped with 4 current flow settings and 10-speed variable feed controls, the VIVAHOME MIG Welder offers unparalleled control over your welding process. Whether you're working with thin steel, stainless steel, aluminum sheet metal, or thicker steel, you can adjust the settings for optimal results. Portable design. Weighing just 34.6 pounds and featuring a compact design with a comfortable hand grip, this welder is incredibly portable. Take it wherever your projects take you without hassle. Number 4. YESWELDER MIG 250 Pro Aluminum Welder. Looking for a powerful and versatile welding machine? The YESWELDER MIG 250 Pro Aluminum MIG Welder might be the perfect fit for your welding needs. The YESWELDER MIG 250 Pro is not just a MIG welder, it's a 4-in-1 welding solution. It offers MIG synergistic setting, MIG manual setting, gasless flux wire MIG welds, stick welds, and lift TIG welds. With dynamic control set arc control, you can adjust the arc to be crisp or soft, catering to various preferences and applications. Synergic MIG. The Synergic MIG feature facilitates seamless communication between the power source, feeder, and gun. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this functionality makes welding tasks easier and more efficient. Gasless for MIG Weld. Say goodbye to the hassle of moving gas cylinders. With the gasless flux MIG weld capability, you can achieve excellent welding results without the need for external gas. Number 3. WellPro Welder. Looking for a welding machine that offers exceptional versatility and performance? The WellPro 200-amp inverter multi-process welder might just be the solution you've been searching for. The WellPro 200-amp inverter multi-process welder is not your average welding machine. It goes beyond traditional MIG and flux core welding, offering a range of capabilities including true lift TIG welding, stick welding, and aluminum welding with the optional spool gun. This versatility makes it a valuable asset for a variety of welding projects. Intuitive design. Designed with user convenience in mind, the MIG 200 features an intuitive synergic design for MIG/flux core welding. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced welder, you'll appreciate the ease of use and seamless functionality of this welding machine. Wide amperage ranges. With a wide range of welding amperage options, the WellPro 200-amp inverter multi-process welder offers flexibility to tackle various welding tasks. Whether you're working with 230V or 115V power input, you can adjust the amperage settings to suit your specific welding needs. Comprehensive welding capabilities. From MIG welding with wire diameters ranging from 0.023 to 0.035, to TIG welding with tungsten needle diameters of 0.063 to 0.094, and stick welding with electrode diameters of 0.063 to 0.157. Number 2. Hobart MIG Welder. Looking for a MIG welder that combines precision, power, and versatility? The Hobart Handler 210 MVP MIG Welder is here to empower your welding projects with its impressive features and performance. With 210 amps of welding power, the Hobart 500553 Handler 210 MVP is designed to handle a wide range of welding tasks, from light-duty projects to heavy-duty welding applications. Its versatility ensures that you have the power you need for any welding project that comes your way. Plug-and-play flexibility. The innovative multi-voltage plug technology allows the Handler 210 MVP to seamlessly adapt to both 115V and 230V power sources. This plug-and-play flexibility ensures easy setup in any welding environment, giving you the freedom to work wherever your projects take you. Perfect aluminum welds. Achieving smooth and accurate aluminum welds is made easy with the built-in spool gun circuitry of the Handler 210 MVP. Number 1. Forney Easy Weld. Looking for an easy-to-use, portable welder that delivers exceptional performance? The Forney Easy Weld 261 140 FCI welder is designed to meet your welding needs with precision and power. The Forney Easy Weld 261 140 FCI MIG machine simplifies the welding process with its user-friendly design. Utilizing 0.30 flux core wire and featuring infinite voltage and wire feed speed control, this welder allows you to dial in the perfect weld effortlessly. It's the ideal entry-level welder for beginners looking to hone their welding skills. Powerful performance. Don't let its compact size fool you. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.